Welcome to Simple Oracle DB. In this video we're going to be talking about Oracle date formats, and we're going to be talking about the toChar function. And what the toChar does is it converts a date field into a varchar2 field, which is a string field. We're also going to cover the sysdate, which is the current date of your operating system. The reason I'm going to bring this up is we're going to use the sysdate with toChar to show many examples of how to convert a sysdate, which is a date field, into a string field. Let's move over to Tech on the Net, and I'm going to show you many different examples of the different formats you can use with toChar. Here we're on Tech on the Net, and I'll post this URL below the video. This shows all the different formats that you can use the toChar with, and as you can see, there's many different ways you can spell out a date and time. This is always a good source for any Oracle database functions or anything that's related to the database. Now let's go over to Oracle SQL Developer. The first thing we're going to cover is the sysdate. I'm going to go ahead and run this statement here, and what we're going to see is a date field showing the current date and time. You can change the settings so you can see this date in a different format. I can show you this real quick on Oracle SQL Developer. If you go up to Tools and Preferences, Database, and the NLS, and you can see this date format right here. This is what displays the format of the date in which you see the date field, as you can see below here. That is why this date shows up in this format, and you can go ahead and change it and make it something different. Next, we're going to use the sysdate with the toChar to show you the many different formats I can change this into a string field. So let's go with the first example here. And this is just going to give me the month, day, and year. And the next one is going to show me the year of the current year. Next one is going to show me the month spelled out of the current month. Next one's going to give me the short version of the month, of the current month. This is going to show me the day of the current month. In this example, we're going to get a different type of date format here with the day, month, and year, and the time with the AM and PM on the back end. And I put these two examples in here. No matter if you put AM or PM, that's just to show that you want either or according to what the sysdate or the date field is at the time. If you run this one, it should show me the same thing with the same date. And then the last example is the 24-hour time here, showing the 22. Next, I'm going to go over how you can do the toChar with select statements, and we're going to run this to see the creation date. And here we have a date of March 10th of 2020, and then separated a day out going forward for 10 records. And we're going to convert this to a string field just with the date. And you can see here that the time is missing now, so it is just now displaying the month, day, and year. In our last example, we're going to do a toChar with a different type of date with a different type of time. So we're going to run that, and now we see the 24-hour with the minute with a different type of date format here. So this concludes our video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below the video. I will post this code below the video as well, so you can copy and paste it. And remember to stay hungry and keep learning.